cosplay world, wood screws are pretty durable pieces of hardware. I mean, that's what they're for. They're to make sure that whatever you're attaching them to holds together. But they can sometimes eat through whatever we're working with. I mean, there are the occasional times when it can get tarnished or be under too much stress, such as if you have an especially long one and it's one half is being pressured while the other half is being pulled on from the base support. But in most cases, that's not going to be a problem for the average. It's not going to be a problem for cosplayers. So, one thing I like to do is to use wood screws in static props. That is, props that don't really move or flex, or they are static, basically. They're not dynamic, if you understand the difference there. But in the cases where there is flexibility needed, I try to swap in something like a rivet, or an eyelet, or a piece that doesn't kind of mar the material, because what's going to give up in the wood screw is the threading is going to strip the material that it's attached to over time and pull out, and it's going to be difficult to kind of put the screw back in without adding some sort of filler, in which case it's probably not going to be as strong as the original bond, and you end up with a case where you probably would be better off using an eyelet or a rivet. The trick here is, of course, hiding those pieces of equipment under or hardware underneath whatever you're working with. So planning ahead is important. As you saw in this video, I hid all of the screws underneath the plates that are going to come afterwards, and made it a much better looking piece overall. I hope this helps you. Good times to all. Bruh! If you're looking for cosplay tutorials, I might have a few hundred. Anyway, if that interests you, hit that sub button.